In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy vanilla gift card online. So it's pretty simple to buy vanilla gift card online. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But for those people who do not know vanilla gift card, if you guys have heard of Visa gift card, then basically it's similar to that. But in this case, it's going to be, in vanilla company. By that, I mean, it's being sold by the vanilla company. All right. So there's different company who sells Visa gift card. So vanilla is one of that. So in basically gift card, you guys have like a, fixed amount of money in it. Let's say I buy a $50, gift card. So after I spend the $50 in that gift card is, useless. I can't add more money in it. All right. So that's basically what gift card is. So let me show you guys how you guys can buy the vanilla gift card. So for that, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel one to step, and let's move right into the video. First step, you want to search for vanilla gift card and you want to click on where it says the first link. Now once you click on it, it's going to take you over here. Now once you're over here, you want to click on buy gift card. As you guys can see, we're in the official website of vanilla over here. Now once you're over here, you want to choose which gift card you want. So I want this over here where it says gold script gift card. I'm going to click on it. Now over here, I'm going to choose an email because I want a digital one. All right. Now over here, I'm going to enter 100 because I want a $100 gift card. Now over here, I'm going to enter the email to whom I want to send this gift card. So since I want to send this gift card to myself, I'm going to enter my own email. After entering the email over here, again, you want to click on add to cart. Once you add it to cart, you want to click on this cart looking icon over here, or you can just directly click on proceed to checkout after it, pops up over here. So I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. After I click on proceed to checkout, it's gonna ask for my payment details. So after filling up my payment detail, basically this card will be ordered. Basically this is like an email card. So when I order it, it's gonna be sent to my email, whichever email I typed over here. So in my case, it's gonna be sent to this email. All right. So that's basically how you guys can buy vanilla gift card online. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.